Hi, this is Scott from drtrailersales. I want to show you how to hook up a trailer. This is more for the first-time trailer users. Rule number one, and the most important rule in hooking up a trailer: always make sure you have the right ball size for the trailer. Cannot stress this enough. They'll be right here, 2 5/16. It'll say on the ball itself, on the vehicle. And then somewhere, typically on the trailer, it'll say the size. Sometimes they're etched in the tongue. Either be 1 7/8", 2 inch, 2 5/16. Those are the most popular ones. This trailer right here has it right on the V-nose, 2 5/16. Again, that's the most important thing. Always make sure you got the right size ball. With that being said, we'll just do a quick video of hooking up this trailer. We're gonna back up, so we'll have Aaron back the truck right on up. Nice thing with these cameras on the new ones, you really don't even have to direct the driver back anymore. It makes life a lot easier. So 2 5/16 ball, 2 5/16 coupler. Just gonna jack it down there. We always want to make sure it's level. I mean, that's another video we can do. This one we just want to focus on, if you've never hooked up a trailer before, we're just trying to make your life a little easier. Hopefully this helps someone. So we have that. All the weight is on the ball. We have a block there to raise it up a little higher. So once that is done, we're going to take this coupler here, goes down, and one way to know that it is on the ball and everything is good, you got a pin, safety pin right here. This is a brand new trailer. And then that, and as long as that pin is in there, that trailer cannot come off the ball. So with that being done, we got the ball, the trailer all hooked up. Safety chains. The best way of the safety chains is to cross them, cross the other one. Now sometimes if they hang too low, say they hang like that, all you have to do, just twist it, take some of that slack out. In this case, we don't need to, but if you run into that, the chains are dragging, just twist them. This is the breakaway. This one's a little different. This is on a cable. Very nice, makes life a lot easier. This, typically just hook right there. And basically what this is, if the trailer were somehow to come off the ball, the chains fail, this plunger here will be pulled out and it locks the brakes up. Just an extra safety feature. And then here we go, the lights. Right here. It's one of the 7-round plugs, we call this one. And goes right in just like that. And that's pretty much everything. You're all covered there. Again, most important thing, make sure the ball size matches the trailer coupler. One way to tell that it is on, the pin will not come out. Another way we've done over the years too is just to make sure you got the right ball size. You can always jack it up and make sure the trailer is not coming off the ball. It'll lift the truck rather than the trailer come off the ball. That's just if you want to be extra sure. Other than that, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.